Last night, I wrote a song for you. Last night, it was you and me together. Last night, I saw an angel in my dream. Last night, you showed me love I never ever seen before. Baby,
What's your wine, but you better help.
I say you know it's not chewing gum.
The ones that chewing gum no bankuna di gin in a woman domino one and namaka semi and chewing gum.
And a potato 20 I will bank.
Say,
red and night.
I shall the weather night, make pretty more dances. I often I mean, Bobo tea, I mean, bare funny face. You won't be able to swap 2 minutes.
It's funny tears in the house.
Oh, talking. No, me can't see that when ever quack was out, woman. They be your tatam says about
the boy is in your course. It may be anytime.
Hey, bro, for sale, no.
But they sell
what they
sell. We are camp of one.
Now, when they don't want to come on.
Why me?
Hey, I will tell you. I don't for. Hey, Ogusia Bioria.
I want to say,
I'm not the Bioko, brother. Hey. What distracting. Nancy Live.
When you say, dear women, program by no friend.
One does have distractions, yeah.
Bottom connection. Yeah. Nancy Live. Huh? Come on,
we don't know.
Wow.
I am a fast that we have
Sir,
when you are dear, we will be dear. The idea where they used to the abacama.
What? Mr. Phone, mammy. Patron.
Emu
do. Hey, c'est simple quoi. Et nous pour na ma on ya osano. Tina we bi jaisa. Mr. Pourquoi ina? It's our kitchen na boa.
Oh, David, I'm sorry,
No, so we ka kire me. Hwe, nim say, ya me adum yen. Di abofra ya hyew yema mamme. Obese uti kwa be pao. Me silo. Ya me adum ye di akro wi amaba. Me nye mistake. What I say? Oni na bi di ma de da chi bi. Ona me ni bo a obetiatia me manam ntuo so amawo. Timi siro me say impo ubidware a ka kire no. Me dware wo.
Na say you be near me on bind say me ya said there.
Ya said dey say you bet otukusua no tuo ye dia asade no edo so ben wa ade. But the same prepare wa akwane show ye me siro. Me pa chopa. Me say kichume robi. Me nti wo twamento. Kichume robi. Wona ko rai.
Oh, there
For your comedy, Ghana bound by for Krama, meaning I have
Ade ye bo o si ere ade me chewing am no so ye chewing am
I say enchinam
Me ba no me efra
na eva gba na ofi a ofa eva na ofi
ni twam ana me se me fa ha be
obwa
sira
girl bi anti mansa na otonto mbuja bi wechira gap ne ba girl bi na ofi ese aba then me se no na omo fi
na sound kran kiti we omo ye na omo
tinifu na obe ya ba ya se
pretty way back sound kran kwa line obe talking me and quality na obo shi wa be catch him so wa be
no say
and the group and nothing na so one friend Ejuba na dey tina wan fe onim se o ba
me ho if you am here
dey do nyo ejuba na kaminu aka be dey
anye no one say me say me chia ko be mi fi
o tamato
Mr. Tata again Mr. Again mi hu no no get na me pie o mo so afi na Thomas was say o ma me wo obi wo
obo we dey obo cha yen ko dem me ko titi.
Last night, I wrote a song for you. Last night, it was you and me.
Woman wan be di everybody yankopon tin na baby bokum yi o.
Na so me don't see.
Me so do me wonim hwe akora we on onu ntini fa ne say me do ni nyina akora we wo fa ni nyina ma akora no. Edwene die mama amenye enne obedi de.
The pizza.
Body pizza. Say there's no need for me to go to the kitchen. We no say my phone no. Heavy 7 catering. Pa my order. I'm order.
Hey baby.
I'm order.
You want to drink? I'm go for me.
To what? Let me go first. My order.
Last night, It was you and me together. Last night, I saw an angel in my dream.
This is the first time I meet Shawn and this uncle Mo. We are by manager. I'm a person and no time, I'm a no woman. Ma. In my time, I say, then the maintenance. I mean, show loud. Manager home, frankly speaking, Madame, no. For the first time, me home, Madame, like, I don't know. I die too much.
Are you done?
Oh, I'm not dying.
Okay, continue.
Let me slow say, Lanka, we all bow, like when like we very come and walk fair. That's so beauty.
Yeah, to cut everything short now. To me to was here. Open me.
Yeah, I want you. Yeah.
Now when I back can now when I will back kabu kasati send here. Oh, my inspirational speech. Are you not man enough?
Yeah,
man. Go straight to the point. Oh, maybe I've been seeing you around. I'm interested in you. Simple. How can say you in Sapa Kuba to send here? Which mathematics or class 2?
Why?
Why? Because why has one tail and the 2 branches?
Come on.
Anyways, to cut everything short, yeah. I'm not really interested in you. Seriously. I have a boyfriend, you know.
Yeah. Freeze. AG Sonnet. Shut it out, yeah. Yes, AGs, now Coco say, hey, I don't know what you chat as if you were for me, but shut up. Me a big fish, me a finger lens, me go to the me who know which now you know see top pack off. We around the city, we alarming. Me say could be me jam will be explosion. Oh, or say confident me, yeah, me fittings, me bomb me home, they me rap on your calling. Yeah, 247. Who got the vibe with the make more chilling? We are gonna time 1 o'clock still ticking like a witchcraft. Me them my boys, we still flying, flexing. Woo! Converting my dreams to reality. Remember how much drain I'm a perpetuity. Rolling with the energy, flow so hotter than a petter. We keep on making moves, we are sculptures. Yeah, we wanna on the loose, yeah. Black clouds over the hoosh, you can skip it. We on the moves, yeah. Halle, halle, hallelujah. Tell them stop packing your tools. Pull up in the energy, nobody go feel cool, yeah. Pharaohs in again, we pulling up, we rolling up, yeah. Hidden. Can you tell me what's hidden? Hidden. Mama, can you tell me what's missing? Yeah.
He's capable enough. He takes good care of me, he showered me with money, so I don't think I can roll with someone like you.
Oh, I know you're a boyfriend.
You are too little for my, you're not my spec of guy. So
I'm too little for you.
Yeah, that's how I see. Because you are a very young guy. Look at the way you are, like you dressed up, a durag. I don't know.
Listen,
the plans
come on.
is limited.
Come on, please. Don't work for me. Listen to me. I just love you. Forget about the age of forget about what we're talking about.
You can't just meet me today and you begin to love me.
No, I've been loving you ever since I saw you.
So how will you be able to tell as to whether I'm a human being or not? How will you be able to tell as to whether I'm a human being or not?
Oh, how come?
Oh, no, come on. No, to cut it, I wouldn't waste much of your time, you understand? I'm into a relationship for your information, and it's a very, very vital one because I'm looking up to the outcome to be a very fruitful one. So I'm really sorry. You can find any other girl.
Please.
Oh, stop touching me like that. Why? Oh,
I just feel you. I just love you.
You just love. You can't just meet me today and begin. I don't love you. To cut everything short, I don't love you. I have a boyfriend and stay away from me. Don't bother me again. Don't come my way again, please. Excuse me.
Last night, it was you and me together. Last night, I saw an angel in my dream. Last night.
Life no so when you you are a winner. So what I say, I've been stalking you and monitoring you, but I knew that definitely you were gonna pass here. Yeah, we didn't get that from the genius one. I love your smile, innit? Anyway, you're from a flyboy stunner and don't panic when the boys are rushing. Yeah, what about you? I could see you.
Oh wow.
Yeah. I love your attitude. I love your smile because the way you were talking to the boy, you were so humble on earth. That's what I said.
Thank you.
So can we just be friends? Because trust me, me worry more hanum. I don't have anybody. Like I'm always indoors, so bad me fear me on. So at least I can get a friend beer when we are bored. We can chill or hang up together. That's what I said.
Okay.
So if Bodawa, can I just have your digits so that we can vibe? Yeah.
Just a friend.
Why not?
Okay.
Why not?
Let me give it to you. Okay.
Okay, let me call you. Girls are dangerous because Madi or the number na mound. Yeah.
Yeah.
1 on the chat tour.
Yeah.
Nana Kushia.
Okay.
Okay.
Stand up.
Yeah, hidden. Can you tell me what's hidden? Mama, can you tell me what's missing? Yeah. Oh, no. Hidden. Yeah. Can you tell me what's hidden? Mama, can you tell me what's missing? Yeah. Oh, no.